Hello, today I'm going to show you how to draw this water droplet. Let's open a new document. Set the fill to yellow and the stroke to none. Next, select the Ellipse Tool and single-click on the artboard. Be sure the chain link is checked and now type 500. Click away to deselect. Next, select the Polygon tool. Let's choose a different color. Now click on the artboard, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the down arrow key on your keyboard to reduce the number of sides to 3. While you are still dragging your mouse, press the Control key as well to constrain. Be sure the triangle is selected and then open the Transform panel. Click on the chain link to constrain the proportions and then type 600 into the width window. Now press the Tab key on your keyboard. Next, go to Effect, Distort and Transform and choose Pucker and Bloat. Set the value to -35 and then click OK. With the shape still selected, go to Object and choose Expand Appearance. Next, select both shapes and then go to the Align panel. Be sure Align to Selection is checked and then choose Horizontal Align Center. Now lower the circle down until the edges of the circle are in line with the edges of the triangle. Then turn on the outline mode to better see the paths and adjust it a little bit more. Let's turn off the outline mode. Select everything and then press the Shift and M keys on your keyboard to switch to the Shape Builder tool. Now press and hold down the Alt key to get the minus symbol next to the cursor and then delete these two shapes. Select everything, go to Pathfinder and choose Unite. Now change the color to blue. If you don't like the pointy top, we can easily change it. Let's create a small rectangle that will cover the top part of our water droplet. Now select everything, go to Pathfinder and choose Minus Front. Switch to the Direct Selection tool and select only these two end anchor points. Now round the corners. And here is our basic shape. Next, we will add highlights. With our shape still selected, go to Object, Path and choose Offset Path. Change the offset to about -53 and then click OK. Open the gradient window and apply the white and black gradient. Change the black color stub to blue and move its location to about 75%. Set the type to radial and adjust the gradient's direction. Choose one of the drawing tools and change the fill to white. Select everything and then press the Ctrl and number 2 keys on your keyboard to lock the selection. This will prevent it from moving. Now draw a shape that resembles a highlight. Let's add 2 small ellipses on this side. Apply the white and black gradient, change the black color stub to white, and lower the opacity to 30%. Change the type to radial and adjust the gradient's direction. Switch to the eyedropper tool and apply the same gradient to the other 2 shapes. Now make final adjustments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.